Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use ChatGPT Playground. Now, if you're getting problem in ChatGPT, then ChatGPT Playground will cover them. Now, to use ChatGPT Playground, firstly you need to head over to any web browser on your PC, and there in the URL you have to search for ChatGPT Playground. And there from the Google search, you have to tap on the very first link, OpenAI API key. Now there, you will be taken to this type of page where you have to sign up for API account. Now tap on sign up button. And there you have to type in your email address, and then in the next page you have to type in your password, and after that you will be sent a verification code. You have to verify your email address, and then you will take into the next page where you have to enter your phone number, and then you have to verify your phone number by typing in the OTP that has been sent to your phone number, and then you will get into your account. And once you get into your API account, you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. Now, to use the playground, you have to tap on this playground at the top left of your screen, and there this type of interface will be opened up. Now you can generate text by entering a prompt or a question in the input field, and in this playground you will be able to see new feature added, which is speech to text. Now you can tap on the speech to text feature, and then you will be able to see two options: start recording and upload audio from computer. Now if you want to start recording to generate prompts, then tap on start recording, and then you have to speak here, and your voice will be transcribed into text. And once your speech get transcribed, you have to tap on use as input, then you have to tap on submit button, and you will get the answer in the text form here. Now if you want to use the second option, you have to drag and drop or upload audio from computer. Once it gets transcribed, you will be able to see the text like this, and then tap on use as input button, summarize this above text, and there tap on submit button, and ChatGPT will summarize your text for you. Now the other thing is Playground has some save prompt. To see that, you can tap on load a preset, and there a drop down menu will be open up on your screen. Now let's try some of these examples, and then you have to tap on submit button, and then summarize for a second grade student has been done. Now in the same way, for example, you can tap on explain code, and then again tap on submit button, and ChatGPT will explain code in simple language. You can tap on more examples, and there you will find more options to choose from. Now let's try English to other language option, and there you have to tap on open in playground. Now tap on submit button, and there you go. The sentence has been changed into French language, Spanish, and Japanese. Now that's gonna be all for this video, and I will be back with more videos like this.